Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your PDF line spacing for better readability in Nitro Pro PDF Editor. So if your PDF's cramped, hard to read, or just unprofessional looking, you can just use this trick to make all the difference. So now you can just open the PDF in Nitro Pro and head into the home options, then click on edit. And in here you can just select the part that you want to adjust its spacing. For example, I'm going to adjust this paragraph right here. You can just double click to select all, and then here you'll see the spacing options and you see the line option. You can just choose which one that you want to. So for better readability, you need to select between normal or maybe expanded, or the last one is extra expanded. I'm going to use the extra expanded, and you can just repeat the same steps with the rest of the paragraphs that you want to adjust its line spacing. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple trick and tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye.